Hi! For this week's foldable, I did it on Earth Science and I did a shutter fold. So if you open this one side, I did it on rivers. I posted a photo of a river and I put rivers right here, typed it up, and put the definition right here. A river has 3 stages. In its first stage, it moves rapidly, cutting deep into its bed, picking up rocky debris, and carrying it along. In its second stage, it slows down, depositing sediments as well as continuing the erosion. And in its third stage, all of its strength has gone and all the transported debris is dropped. Then in the middle portion of this foldable, I spoke about weathering and erosion. I put a picture of weathering and then the definition down here. So this right here is the weathering portion or erosion portion, and here's the definition. And this is the weathering portion, and up here is the definition. In this side of the foldable, I spoke about shorelines. I printed out a picture of a shoreline and typed up the shoreline definition. And so it says, shoreline, the rocks are worn away from headlands that do not stay as rubble for very long. They are ground down by waves into shingle fragments of rock and sand, dragged along the sea floor, and eventually deposited in a fairly sheltered place to form a beach. Even there, rock particles do not stop moving. It did mention that during winter seasons that the same exact beach that you'll see could have all pebbles, and then in the summer seasons, then that pebbled beach is now full of sand. So thank you for watching my video for this week's foldable on Earth Science.